The world is changing faster than ever, and so are the inventions that shape it. Today, we're going to show you some of the most amazing machines that will blow your mind. They are so advanced, they look like they came from the future. You won't believe what they can do. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. We have more awesome videos coming your way. Feel the vibe of this original 24-leg motorized skateboard that's impossible to fall off. It's a futuristic machine that can walk on any terrain and carry up to 661 pounds of weight. Introducing an incredible multitasking drone that can conquer both heaven and earth. It's a versatile machine that can fly in the air and drive on the land. Exciting news! This portable capsule that can protect your car from anything, anywhere, is a game changer. Meet the world's first portal that allows you to interact with someone on the other side of the planet in real time. It's like being in a movie. The portal is a large concrete and steel ring that acts as a window into another city. The portal invites you to meet people who are different from you, but also share the same humanity. Meet the robot that can stop traffic violators without risking human lives. It scans, checks, talks, and prints tickets. But can it win the trust and respect of the peoples? Imagine being under the scorching sun and feeling a cool breeze as you walk towards a majestic mosque. You look up and see giant umbrellas that open and close like flowers, creating a lovely shade for visitors. Meet the flying drone that can lift anything. Powerful drones like these are sure to become a must-have for moving. See how boats defy gravity and cross water level gaps. These are the boat lifts, the amazing machines that lift boats between canals. Experience the ultimate VR adventure at your home. This VR simulator lets you feel every move and sound. It's like being in a different world. It's the VR simulator that brings a real thrill to your doorstep. Imagine being paralyzed and unable to stand or walk. Now imagine being able to do that again with the help of a robotic suit. That's the ReWalk exoskeleton, a device that gives hope and freedom to people with spinal cord injury. It's a breakthrough in engineering and technology. Meet the Iron Monster that can turn any tree into a masterpiece. The incredible diameter of this iron monster's blades turns gardens into perfection. Have you ever dreamed of flying like a bird? Now you can with the Jetman flying device. It's a jet-powered wing that lets you soar through the sky at 300 km/h. It's the ultimate thrill for human flight. It's the Jetman flying device. Discover the underwater wonders with a personal SUB. It's a scooter that lets you breathe and steer under the sea. No diving skills required. Just hop on and enjoy the ride. With 2-meter arms and 181 kg lifting power, you'll be a superhuman. That's what the arm extender does for you. It doubles your arm length and strength. It's fun, easy, and amazing. Smart space saving is nothing new, but this hidden drawer staircase is a game changer. It turns every step into a storage unit, making the most of a small space. That's the magic of Unrealage, a Japanese fashion brand that creates photochromic clothes that transform from white to colorful patterns under UV light. This car is so low, it's almost a joke. It barely clears the ground, without a scrape or a poke. It's a wonder how it drives, without getting stuck or bent. We hope you enjoyed today's showcase of these amazing innovations. Which one of them would you love to have in your daily life? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon with more awesome innovations.